What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be taking the motor out of my car and bolting it up, or attempting to bolt it up to this Turbo 400 with the converter, flywheel, which I got right here. I went to Burkett Racing Engines today to pick up the spacer for the crankshaft and the converter. So today all we're doing is taking out the motor. Oh, and another thing is, so last video I was showing you all the new stuff we got. Well, yesterday we got a golf cart, and real cheap. And hey, easy now, making a video. But anyways, we got a golf cart, and now we're taking out the motor, and I don't know, I'll keep y'all posted. But anyways, catch you in.
So mean.
Also, the spacer we got, it's this little thing. I didn't even know this existed until yesterday. He was doing research about it, and he's jamming over here.
I'm trying to turn it to the stereo. You know how I am with
And yeah. But this is the spacer. I didn't even know this thing existed, and we got a cat yelling at us. But yeah, I didn't know this thing existed. So it's gonna help with our spacing, so we don't have a converter just hanging out, chilling with a 1/2 inch space between it. But,
I'll show you the new wing.
oh yeah, the new wing. Yeah, we got this yesterday as well.
The turbo.
Yeah, I showed them that. Here's the wing. It's got nice. You know what? Let me turn you. All right, so it's got nice adjustable struts. Wherever this one's at, I think this one's all the way in. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the sides and get longer sides for it, because I like longer ones. But yeah, this baby's about to come out. Well, we got it out. What you need? Flywheel. Golf cart. Yeah, we got it out. Going to get the flywheel now. This thing, God knows. We also found a lot of pricklies in the car. Like this right here. And right there. Down here, all of that. But we got it out. Put the flywheel on. Spacer. Bolted up to that. So, keep going. Alright, well, as you can tell behind me, when we started this, it was daylight. Now it's dark. We ran into a few problems. Where are the bolts at? The bolts and the spacer.
Right here.
Are they both right there? Well, we got,
Right
like I said, we got the kit for the spacer because we thought we needed it. Here's the spacer for the crankshaft. We thought we needed it, and turns out we didn't need it. I don't know why we didn't need it.
Because we're using an aftermarket.
That's right, yeah. The flywheel.
We're using an SFI flywheel.
That's right, yeah. So we put it all together, looked at it, and the crankshaft wouldn't turn over at all. Couldn't even get it out of the pump or nothing, so.
It's the converter.
Yeah, not the crankshaft, the converter. Not the crankshaft.
It was jammed together.
Yeah, not the crankshaft. So we took all the bolts out, and we went and got some bolts out of the hardware store, grade 8, and put it together. And this is what we got. So tomorrow, we're gonna cut out the front of the car.
Get ready for the tube.
Yep, for the tube front end, and then
Put the motor right back in.
Yep. And then we'll get the cross member for the Turbo 400, and we'll have a motor in there. Oh, that's gonna be awesome. But anyways, I'll catch y'all guys tomorrow. Whew. Well, it is the next day. Since we have gotten the motor and trans together. Yeah, sorry, I just put my contacts in. But anyways, today we are going to be cutting, so shock tower, we're cutting this, and let me turn you around so you get a better view. But we're gonna be cutting the shock tower and stuff, and getting the tube, not get tubular front input on now, but getting it ready for it to put on. Then we'll put the motor back in. But I'll show you what we're doing. So what we're doing is we're cutting right there forward and here forward. And are we keeping these mounts?
Huh?
Are we keeping these mounts for the fender?
We're gonna cut right here.
Okay, so we're cutting those off. Yeah, we're gonna cut.
I'm just gonna cut them straight down.
Straight down. Yeah, that's gonna look weird. It'll be easy to put the motor in. Only gotta pick it up, the K member height, and just slide it in. Yeah, what you think about that?
We'll get it.
Yeah, but
We'll get it.
we're about to knock it out, slowly but surely.
Yep, about to start.
Yep. Well, we got it out. Got it out from here and there. That, yeah, the kit we got, bar goes here, bar goes there, comes out. I have no idea how far. Was it like 30 inches or something? Or yeah, something. Comes out to like, yeah, comes out to here. They meet, and then hoop under it. Or was it a straight bar?
Oh, hoop.
It was a hoop? Okay. And then same thing here, and yeah, but that's what we're dealing with. So now we're gonna move all this stuff and put that in here, and we're gonna just sit there and stare at it when we're done.
Drink a beer.
I'll drink my Kool-Aid. But all right, we're gonna get to it. All right, well, what'd you say that was? 10-15 minutes?
Yep.
Darn things in. That was
Transmission.
all right, transmission all right down through there. Yeah, that went a lot smoother than I thought. Not saying that it was totally smooth, but it went in, so yeah. But now we got that, we will start putting stuff like it's on the table. I walked right past it. The intake and everything. All this, fuel lines. Mount the starter on it. Get get the fuel line starting to get run a little bit, because fuel cell will be in the back, correct?
Correct.
Yep. So we'll start getting all that. And water pump, once we get the once we get the frame, tubular frame on there, we'll get the motor plate mounted. And then, man, that was good right there. But yeah, so I'm not sure what we're gonna do next, but I'm sure we're not done. But that's awesome right there. That's awesome. $7.99 heads, right down and through there. This is awesome. I couldn't be any more happier than I am right now. This is awesome. Well, that we just been staring at it for like 10 minutes. Yeah, it went in. Nothing's bolted in, or like the intake or the rails or anything. So get this, I'm putting the gaskets in for the runners, and they gave me 7 gaskets. I told them yesterday, I was like, I only counted 7, but I can't count a lot, so they only gave me 7 gaskets. I mean, everything else is there and looks good, but that we can't bolt it in yet. So yeah, and now we're gonna cover this up with some duct tape and cover the injector holes and stuff. Yeah, you think we're done for tonight? Yeah.
I am.
I might come out here and just stare at it. Ain't no telling. But yeah, so we got that in. Got the motor plate kind of.
Show the front end and cut it off right there.
Got the. Oh yeah, I don't know if I showed you all that, but that's what we cut off. Honestly, wasn't as heavy as I thought it was, and it was a lot flimsier than I thought it was. In terms of what it's made of, it's not as solid as I thought. But I mean, that's how much we cut off. I mean, we were literally standing in the engine bay. So, yeah, that's what the motor plate's gonna look like. It's
Tell me so we can get a shifter tomorrow.
Oh yeah, we might be getting something.
Precision.
Yeah, a Precision Turbo 400 reverse pattern. Yeah, from Eric Gold. So we'll be getting that.
CO2 operated.
Yeah, it'll be the normal Precision Turbo 400 shifter, all around CO2 and stuff like that. So we'll be getting that, and then we're gonna have to take the shifter right here, which you can't really see, the shifter right there out and give it to Danny Waters Jr. Yep. Yeah, we got some. We gotta get. Do you have coils? You don't have coils, do you? For the motor, you do have coils. Yeah, but we got the wires off the old car, and the trans cooler and all that stuff. Yeah, the starter there, which we have the bolts for.
I plan on rolling the motor over tomorrow.
All right, that's. I didn't know all that.
Put the starter on tomorrow and hot wire it to a battery and go ahead and spin the motor over. Put oil in it. Put a oil filter on it. Put some oil in it. Spin it over. Nah, I'm gonna spin it over.
Oh, just freelance. Okay.
Free spin it.
All right. Yeah, it won't grab or anything. That's true. It's dumb. It's stupid. They don't know what it's doing.
Yeah, we still got some stuff to put on.
Oh yeah. I mean, for crying out loud, we gotta get this on there to figure out the length of the tube. Which the length has to be 4 inches, but we gotta know where that tube can come from. Yeah. What I envisioned was it's like about right here or so, and it come off the bottom, and it 90, 90, 90, and then it can go in. Sound, easier said than done because the turbo, but
it'll be sweet 45s.
Yeah, 45s, not 90s. But yeah, I think that's all for today.
Come a long way.
Yes, it has, and I think that's gonna be all for this video. I mean, we
See the meat in the back.
the meat. Oh yeah, let's see the meats. Y'all saw that last video. Them big old things right there. Yeah, and these are the wheelie bars that came off Dad's car, because this was originally a big tire car. These are the wheelie bars that this is probably what was blocking your view with the GoPro. That was the carpet, but these are, I forget how long. I think 60 inches. I think. Yeah. Yeah, but these are really nice. I'm not sure. That might not work. That inside bar might not work. Depending on where we put the mounts on the housing. Yeah, depending on where we do that. But yeah. But yeah, this is that's what we got. So anyways, I think we're gonna call it there. Make sure gosh, I went blank there. Yeah. Oh yeah, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Share the videos. Send them to your grandma, your mom, all that. And we're gonna try and keep growing this thing. See where it goes. It might not go anywhere, and that's completely fine.
Oh yes, it will.
But yeah, comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.